What's going on YouTube? I got a video today. It's an unboxing video. I got my friend here, Charles Barkley. He's going to let us know if the unboxing was good or if it was terrible. I got my little good luck charm here and a little fire. Oh, that's hot. And you'll find out why I've got this good luck stuff out in a second here. But let's first start with the unboxing. I've already ripped the labels off because I don't want this unboxing to like go forever and ever and ever and ever. So yes, it just came. I haven't looked at the stuff inside yet, but I wanted to get all this stuff open and get you guys into everything. So how's everyone's week been going so far? Silver's going up and up and up and up and up. I am excited. I actually got something today that I ordered from one of the major silver companies. Starts with an A, ends with an X. This isn't it though, but I'm excited. I haven't looked at that either. I just kind of like started on the boxes, but then I'm like, oh, I'll just do a video and see what we get. All right. This just so check this out. Check this out. This is cool. I didn't even know this existed. Okay, so again, I'm kind of a newer stacker. I did collect when I was 10 years old. Then I got the baseball cards and everything else. But this, I guess, came out in 2003. I think it was. And I'd never seen this, and I just found this like randomly looking for some silver deals. As silver goes up and it gets harder to find, we have to, as buyers or resellers, we have to get a little more creative when we do our searches for stuff. So I've had good success with the 2011 set. It's like this American Silver Eagle set, but it's weird. It's like comes with a $5 bill, and did really well on those last time silver went up. But this is something a little different. So this is called Legacies of Freedom. It's United States and the UK bullion set. And it comes with a 2003 American Silver Eagle. And here's where I got really confused. So I was trying to find a 2003 Silver Britannia, and it's actually, I believe it's a 2002. And this is when the Britannias were not 9999 silver, but it's a little more grammage, so it is a full ounce. Where's the freaking date on this? Dude, hold on. Where's the date? It just says Nathan. Your date is Nathan. What does this mean? Oh, there it is. I'm sorry. I started freaking out, guys. I don't know about you guys. I'm so used to seeing the date down here. I'm like, dude, why are you giving me a date of Nathan? I didn't see the date up here. So again, these Britannias are they're a little different. Looks like a reverse proof. Very nice example. So why did I buy this? Some seller was selling it on eBay for $62, and I bought two of them. Actually, in one of them, I think this one's actually sealed. Oh no, they've both been open. Well, that sucks. I guess you want to open and make sure your stuff's in there. Let's make sure there's no milkiness. What is that on the coin? What is that? Dude, what is that? Hold on. How do you open this? Dudes, you don't open this. You have to like literally, okay, this is weird. I thought these were like individual capsules, but this is like sealed in here. Like the only way you're getting to this is by breaking the seal. But dude, that's gross. It looks like there's a hair in there. Hold on, let me look at it with the naked eye. Yeah, that's definitely a hair. Okay. So this one has like one little spot, which is okay. That's normal for Silver Eagles, but this one's got someone's hair in it. That's definitely not. Yeah, dude, that's gross. That's not a hair. So whoever like packed this at the manufacturer of this, and again, like, is this a U.S. Mint product? Yeah, it is. Look at that. Like, why don't we do this stuff anymore, U.S. Mint? It's kind of cool. Let's check for milking in here. A little bit of shade in there. That's all right. But I guess these, well, the 2003 Eagles, well, here, I paid $62, right? So we all know, like, this, I think this coin, the 2002s, are a little more rare. I think these are worth like 50, and I think the Eagles easily are worth like $40 for 03. But as a set, I noticed these were selling for like $70 plus. So when this dude, like, it was weird, like he like first listed it, and then I'm like, oh, I'll watch it because he was like the lowest price, and then he like did a 10% off like his whole store, and this was 10% off. So I ended up getting it even cheaper. Maybe it was more than 10%. I don't know. It was a good deal. So I bought it, but what does this say? Turn it with your thumb. Coins can be rotated for best alignment. Let's try it. Ooh. Oh, they can be turned. Yeah, they could be turned with a freaking hair inside. That's nasty, dude. All right, well, let's close this up. Enough of this. That's pretty cool, though. So I'm going to sell these. I thought you could take them out separately, though. So now I'm going to be, like, contemplating, like, should I just open these and sell them raw and then, like, rip these sets and toss them? Again, I don't know. Like, does anyone that collect Silver Eagles will really collect the Britannias? Who knows? But we'll find out. We'll do some more research on that later. Worst case, I can list those for, like, $80 and do well. Here's from our... I like this seller so much. He was really cool. He's an old dude. He actually like started calling me on my phone, and because I'm just like, dude, you need to like, you promised me you'd refund me some money, because I bought like 3 or 4 coins from him, and each coin was like $6 in shipping. I'm like, dude, just ship them all at once, which he did. And I'm like, can you send me a refund? And he's like calling me, leaving me messages. He didn't know how to do a refund through eBay, so he just sent directly to my PayPal, which is kind of weird. Even though I told him, like, just contact eBay. You can send me a refund through eBay, but he sent it through PayPal. So he's a real nice dude. So I'm like, all right, cool. Like, I like working with people that go above and beyond. Will try and call me or whatever, send me a refund. So I bought another coin from him. He's got good prices too. This one I paid $50.40. It's just a common date, maybe not so common. It's an 1880 Morgan silver dollar. The obverse has definitely been wiped. Still beautiful, bright white, but it's definitely been wiped back in the day, and the reverse has not been, but nice frosty, full feathered. And there's no estimate mark. So usually when you get coins that look this nice, they're San Francisco mint and the P mint. So not going to be a huge come up on this one. I'll probably sell this one for like $65, make a small profit on it, but whatever. Like I said, I like just buying the stuff, sharing it with you guys, and then sharing the hobby with others. People buy it from eBay, make a little bit of money, keep this going. Okay, next will be, all right, so I'm going to be straightforward. This is APMEX. This is how they send the product. This particular APMEX product, I've been waiting a while, guys. I ordered this September 29th. So shortly after the Queen passed away, which I believe was sometime in September, they started releasing some memorable stuff with the Queen on it. See, this is how APMEX does it. They tape it so it doesn't move. Oh, I'm sorry. They don't even tape it, dude. This is like, dude, this is on there. This is glued on there. Hold on. Jeez. I feel like I'm pulling off a wasp nest. Ugh. Wow, I almost broke my entire light box. All right, so here's another box. Let's get them both open. But anyways, what was cool about this is like I ordered it so long ago, and I kept getting excited because when I ordered it, it said, oh, we're going to ship it out roughly like October 20th. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was supposed to ship out October 20th. That was the original like release date of this stuff. And guys, it's November, 12th, the day after Veterans Day. So it took them a long time to get like this stuff out. And again, it was a combination of the Britannia. There you go. So I might be the first channel that's actually showing this live, maybe. I don't know. One of these like people got like right away, and then the other ones they did not. All right, so that's those. Let me get this one open. But anyways, I was like, man, this is cool. Like Spot was real. Okay, so check this out. So Spot, September 29th was $18.91. And that was right before the premiums on silver started getting like psychotic like it is now. So I was kind of like, all right, I'll step it up. I'll pay a little bit extra. Like I think it's a good idea from APMEX. I think it was, it was kind of a gamble, right? So here is the products, and this is directly on their website. I noticed they were also on eBay. So we have PCGS that did a collaboration with APMEX with with the Queen's metal. Oh, this is sealed. I don't want to open this then. I'll probably make it work. I almost ripped this open in my excitement. So they did just a PCGS gem BU Great Britannia. Oh yeah, it has something. This is dumb. Look at this packaging. So the little like showing the whatever is like underneath this part, but whatever. Let's take a look. Let's make sure we don't got any milk action. Yeah, we don't. No milk on that side. That's good. Let's see this one and that one. So a little disappointed how this is packaged, but I wanted to show you guys the back, but I guess it doesn't matter. So something a little different that they stopped like selling them on eBay. So I'm like, or they sold out. So I knew this would probably be like something really popular. So not everyone like has the money to do it. A lot of people like that are fans of the Queen or whatever will give these away as gifts. So I figured like this would be pretty cool to buy. I only paid $38.88 for a PCGS certified Gem BU with some like Goodbye Queen label on the back there. And then the NGCs were the same exact price. I should have bought more. Like, this is one of those purchases you should have bought more. But it took so long to get here. Like, seriously, guys, like almost 60 days. Like, that's pretty ridiculous. But what I do like is that I don't see any milking. Yep, those are very, very nice coins. Oh, except that one. That one's got something on her cheek. That sucks. Oh, well. And it's got a spot right there. That one's a discount. Like, why would you, like, if you see this coin and you're at NGC, like, why would you put it in a holder like this? Like, obviously, APMEX or someone's paying you a premium. Like, dude, put the crappy coins and put them in, like, the, whatever. At least I got these cheap, right? $38.80. Like, you can't, it's hard to get these, like, raw without the certification. Okay, these are even a better deal. So this actually looks really cheesy compared to what it looked like on their site. So this has, like, you know, the purple royal colors. Celebrating the life and legacy of Queen Elizabeth II. And these are two. That coin's a little jacked too. It's got stuff on her neck. And that's got some stuff on her cheek. But again, like, let's not get too crazy. These are just bullion coins. Someone that's, you know, giving it to a loved one or someone that's, you know, fan of the Queen. They're really, you know, it's a piece of history. Yes, her face is on billions and billions of currency, but this is the last year that it is. So let's look in the reverse here. Okay, that looks good. So can these be popped out? Nope, these are sealed. Okay, that's good. I was afraid too that like they would just have like this case around it and you can just open them and replace the coin, but you can't. So very interesting product. $30.88. Definitely gonna come up on these. I'm probably gonna be asking $45. Like, don't hate me, guys, but like I waited 2 months, so it's time to get my money back out of these and some profit. I'm not a fan of the Queen. I just figured it'd be a cool product to order, get it out there before the holidays. I personally think the PCGSs, for whatever reason, will still be worth more than the NGCs by a little bit more. But I'm going to sell these for $55, and I'll probably sell the NGCs for, well, one of them I'll sell for like $50, the other one I'll sell a discount at like $45. But I plan on making a profit on all this stuff. That's the only thing that makes my channel a little different too, guys. Like, I will let you know what I paid for something, and I'll let you know what I sell it for. And then obviously if it doesn't sell, it ends up at the coin shop and I get my money back anyways. But unlike other channels where it's like, oh, it's a big secret. Like, dude, what did you pay for this and that? Or I'm just showing it off. You'll never be able to buy it. That's not how I roll. Everything that's on my channel, you will have the opportunity to buy on my eBay shop. And later on too, I might do auctions and stuff on YouTube. But it just takes up a lot of time. All right, so this next one is a very interesting case. This one I ordered almost a month ago. And I opened up a case with eBay, and I just, asked the seller, I'm like, hey man, like, what's going on? Like, you created a shipping label and you never shipped it. So just, I don't know if you guys ever experienced like buying stuff from eBay, but you can buy stuff, and as a seller, you can then start creating the label. But if you never drop it off at the post office, it's kind of pointless. So like creating a label kind of delays things, but it like took this guy like 2 weeks to create a label. And I'm like, hey man, like, when are you going to drop out of the post office? Zero communication. So finally I opened up a case with eBay saying, hey, I never got my stuff. I want my money back. I don't care about the stuff anymore, blah, blah, blah. But And they did started to a refund process. So they actually refunded me on one of these coins, but then all of a sudden, because it was eBay stepping in, not me asking the seller through eBay, like, hey, what's going on with my stuff? I got a refund on one of these coins, and then he ended up shipping the rest of that stuff. Like, dude, it took you how long? It was ridiculous. So I don't like when someone plays with my money like that and like kind of ties it up. I paid a little up for these too because I figured they were nice. $36 a piece for the piece. This one is a San Francisco. Yep. See a little S? That's where the mint marks are and the piece dollars. This one's not as nice, but probably going to lose money on that one. And then these are just really nice examples of just, again, it's common date, piece dollar. So like if something like this was sitting in a holder, it'd probably be worth like 65, 70 bucks. If it's in a Rattler holder from PCGS, probably worth a little bit more. So these two are nice coins. This is probably the nicest one. I'm going to probably list this one for 55. I'll list this one for 45. And this one I'll probably lose money on. I just list it for 40. So after eBay fees and stuff, I'll end up losing on it, but whatever. So that is the coinage of the video. If you are not interested in seeing what are inside these packs, I might just do a separate video for this. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm going to do a completely separate video on opening up the NBA cards. And that's why Mr. Barkley's here with my good luck charm and a little seance here with the lighter, because I hopefully will get a Zion Williamson or a Ja Morant. I do watch basketball. I do enjoy it. And I've stayed away from all the modern cards. And this same seller that sold me the piece dollars, I was able to get these packs for $8 a piece at 71 cents per card. So I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to do a separate video on just opening up the cards and see if I get anything good. I have not purchased any brand new cards probably since 1991. So this will be a little different for me. So check it out in the next video. But other than that, how did you think I did on the silver purchases? Are you down with the Britannias? Are they pretty cool? I think they're cool. This one's kind of lame, but the holder's kind of cool. And it doesn't say it's from APMEX either. Like, dude, I could have like made this in my garage and not waited 2 months to send it out, and put a better coin in there. Did you like the 1880 Morgan silver dollar? It's been polished on the obverse, but has a nice reverse. Are you more into piece dollars? I like piece dollars, especially nice ones. I strongly believe if you are into this hobby to start collecting piece dollars and Morgan silver dollars now. And if you haven't done so already, get into it now, because come fall, when the reverse proof and the proof piece dollars and Morgan dollars come out next fall, these coins will explode because everybody and their mother is going to want the old examples. Just like when the piece and the Morgan dollar came out in 2021, it went up and then went down a little bit. It's not soft, but the piece dollars were kind of soft. Then they went up. They were strong. They're kind of like getting soft again, but then they're gonna go right back up summer and fall of next year, especially after like all the coins come out and people actually get them. It's gonna be insane again. So highly, highly, highly recommend. First of all, it's a cool looking coin, but secondly, I highly recommend you buy these and collect them to later on flip them. If you don't really like some, just buy a bunch, save your favorite, or save some key dates, get some graded, whatever. But I would start buying these now because it's kind of soft now. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to open up these cards on the next video. Talk to you then. Bye-bye.